Hello, Trumpet friends. We're going to be going over the song Rain, Rain today. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to play the entire song from beginning to end. That way you can come back and reference the beginning of the video whenever you need to work on it. 1, 2, 3. The next thing I want to talk about in this song is actually happening at the tail end of it. It's over here where it has the quarter rest. If you look at where my cursor's at, you'll see that there's quarter rest and then bottom. So the way that I want you to count this is da 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 da. So think to yourself, breath. For counting's sake, you would go 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. When we're working on smart music, we want to make sure we utilize the loop function. So when you come up here to the top, it'll say loop. When you click on it, you want to make sure you click the word set. Keep this checked off. Increase this by 1 BPM every single time it repeats, and then lower your tempo. This is not required when you do the assignment. This is just a tool for you to help get better. What will happen, you'll see in a second. You're going to grab these handles and drag them to the hard parts of the song. I personally think that it's hard to do this area right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to loop measure 3 and measure 4. And what you'll hear is every time it repeats, you'll get another bump up in metronome click. It'll go from 64 to 65 on the next repeat. Check it out. It's pretty slow now. And then it'll count you off again, but this time it's at 65 beats per minute. It's going to sound very similar to what you heard before, but as you keep repeating, it'll get a little faster until you reach 80 beats per minute. Use this to help you. This is not required, but it's a great way to kind of teach yourself how to practice. You need to rep these things into submission. Do it enough times where it's not hard anymore and your brain's not on fire. You want to master these skills and then try to play and think about the most important thing, which is the music, the way that it sounds. The very last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is the articulation factor in this song and the breathing. So when you look at these first 2 measures, you'll see da 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 and then breath mark, right? Da 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 da, breath mark. Da da da, rest. Rests are good opportunities to breathe. Bum, da 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 da. Breathe on the last quarter note. Da da. You want to make these one stream of air that are interrupted with the tongue or with the breath, the on-purpose breath. So when you go, breathe. Make sure we're getting flicks of the tongue to separate the notes, not going. If you do that, I'll resend it to you. We got to make sure we're articulating. Okay, that's all I had. I hope you guys are doing okay with this. Keep me posted in office hours or live sessions if you need help. I'll be happy to. You guys are awesome. Keep up the good work. Bye-bye.